Okay, this is a bird rescue. This robin's up in the tree, and two other birds are attacking. You gotta save it.
Wait a minute. What's it got on it? What's on its legs, Bill?
Piece of paper.
Piece of paper? I can't see it. Wait a minute. Hold still till I get around to where you are.
Come here.
What's on its legs?
Twine.
Twine. Oh, poor baby. Can you get it off?
I'm trying. This is not a sharp enough knife.
Well, that's the sharpest one I have. I wanted to get down here because I saw those little birds bombing it.
I need something sharper.
Well, can you take it up to the office and fix it?
Yeah, I'll have to take it up to the office. Turn it off. These are blue muffin viburnum. Has white flowers in the spring and a deep blue berry in the fall. A very easy to grow viburnum. Doesn't get too large. Nice multi-stem shrub. Can grow under shade of other trees, even walnut trees. So it's a very durable, native viburnum that's easy to grow. We have lots of them here at Highland Hill Farm, as well as other trees, plants, and shrubs for you to come look at. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. That's Winterberry holly. These are 3-foot Leland cypresses here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. We deliver and plant these up and down the East Coast. We sell thousands of Leland cypresses and green giant arborvitaes each year. These are our 3-foot Leland cypresses. Next to it are our 4-foot. And over here are some green giant arborvitaes.
Good morning. I'm Marge Hurst and this is Highland Hill Farm. I'm standing beside a 5 to 6 foot tall green giant arborvitae. We have it on a drip line irrigation system so it stays moist and well kept.
Okay, now these green giants are shipped all over the East Coast, anywhere east of the Mississippi. We have them from 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 10 to 12. And to give you an idea, we get on a tractor trailer load of the 4 to 5 foots, we get about 200 trees on there, and they're $64 delivered anywhere east of the Mississippi. Our 5 to 6 trees, we get approximately 140 on a tractor trailer load, and these trees here delivered to you, these 5 to 6 foot trees that you see right here, are $72 delivered anywhere east of the Mississippi if you buy a tractor trailer load. If you buy less than a tractor trailer load, the price per tree may go up slightly. But we do ship all over the East Coast. These are good to Zone 5, so if you just above Zone 5 in your location, these are a great tree. They grow 3 to 5 feet a year. They're very fast growing, very hardy, and deer resistant. Thank you. These are our skipped laurels. We have two sizes. We have a larger size that's about 32 inches in a 7-gallon pot, and a smaller size in a 5-gallon pot. The smaller sizes are 35 and the larger sizes are 55 for the calendar year 2010. This is the berry cluster of the blue muffin viburnum. It's a arrowwood viburnum that we sell here at Highland Hill Farm. It has a very glossy leaf. The old growth is glossy, but the new growth is exceptionally light colored and glossy. It's very easy to grow. It's called arrowwood viburnum by many people in the trade. It has a white cluster of flowers in the springtime and these blue berries in the fall. This set of plants here are about 3 to 4 foot high and will grow to be about 10 foot tall and maybe 10 foot wide. We're along a real busy road here. This is Route 313. We're in Fountainville, PA. And as you can see, we have a lot of plants, trees, and shrubs here at the nursery, besides the blue muffin. And over here, I'll take you over and I'll show you our double file viburnums. And these are double file viburnums. And again, these viburnums are generally considered to be deer resistant. So if you need a nice shrub for the background of your property, they make nice naturalized borders and hedges. This would also be a great choice. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. We do deliver and plant these up and down the East Coast. We have viburnums both potted and bald and burlapped from in the field. So give us a call, 215-651-8329.